files you stole.
You what now?
The files are logged, and a moment after we got them, I received this.
Hello, Richard. We see you're trying to find us by looking into our associates. That's a good idea. Hope you don't mind if we borrow it. Who was your masked savior, we wonder?
I've sent Bagley the coordinates for a meeting. I hope I don't need to explain why this is a priority.
I'm so happy I could throw out my back.
Want to see how much havoc we can cause today? I promise it'll be fun.
Okay, I will try.
There's a potential recruit you may... want to check out. Pushing your location.
No, don't get up. I need a high-ranking SIRS officer's biometrics, eyes and fingers.
No way. No more time for spy games.
Keep your voice down. The data was encrypted.
Ah, big deal. Our Bagley can open it.
Not faster than I could, and I've tried. It's hopeless in the time we have. Look, if you don't help me, 0 Day wins. Which means we all die.
Oh, fuck me. How many fingers? You want whole hand?
No. High-res photos will do. The problem is it has to be the acting Home Office liaison. And SIRS will burn their credentials if they're attacked. It's protocol. So you'll have to get them the old-fashioned way.
Right. Torture.
Christ, no. Develop a relationship. Get someone close and take the photos covertly.
Okay. This will be fun.
This part of the craft can be ugly. Send someone who can handle it.
Bagley, can I have your help?
I suggest you begin your relationship with the SIRS Home Office liaison the way you would with anyone, by meticulously poring over every detail of their life and hunting them down.
Yes, I'm hearing you.
The SIRS Home Office liaison is the bridge between the government and its intelligence service. Their office at Downing Street would be a good place to start your relationship.
What are we waiting for?
Auto drive now enabled.
The SIRS Home Office liaison works here, but I'm not seeing them on any unsecured surveillance. Ah, but their assistants here. Start by hacking them.
Yes, I understand.
Blood is on your hands.
found him.
Negative contact. Moving on.
I was a champion dancer in my school. Check out my legs. Oh, yes. This is the way to move.
They've escaped. We need to regroup.
My movements are too alluring.
Download complete. Now Scarper or they'll kill you for sure. Got it. 16 email threads indicate the Home Office liaison is a right lush. She spends most of her time down at the Three Hawker Boys. If you want to start a relationship with her, that's as good a place as any.
Send me this location.
Done.
Situation under control. Watch yourself.
Any luck yet?
We have a word for someone like you in my country, but it also means be flank. Sorry.
Ooh, if that's how you treat a one-liner, I shudder to think of what you do with two. Goodbye.
Please, let's have a drink. I think we both can use one.
Oh, I'm in a great mood, actually. It's just that I'm wasting my scant leisure time fending off the advances of a haggard swamp creature.
Oh, fuck you.
Not even in your wildest dreams, sweetie.
Yes, we're getting bigger and bigger. Welcome to DedSec.
Thank you. I'm ready for action.
Fuck yes.
Found her.
Spent some time here when I was younger. Did it hurt? When you hit every branch falling down that... Wait, I'm mixing them up, I think.
Ooh, if that's how you treat a one-liner, I shudder to think of what you do with two. Goodbye.
Sorry. It just seemed like you could use some cheering up.
Oh, I'm in a great mood, actually. It's just that I'm wasting my scant leisure time fending off the advances of a haggard swamp creature.
Fuck you.
Not even in your wildest dreams, sweetie.
I'm still learning the nuances of human interaction, but my analysis indicates that you aren't her type.
Great insight, Bagley.
Quit your whining. There's plenty of fish in the sea. We've got the biggest salt.
Go on.
Just try someone else. Maybe a woman this time.
Bloody prat. Shit.
Well, if you're not going to leave...
This is going to sound a bit silly, but did we match on invite?
If we didn't, I'm going to have their CEO killed.
Actually, I've never used the thing. Is that bad?
Ah, careful who you fib to. Someone almost died.
Wouldn't that be a pity?
I should say. Shall we move this conversation somewhere a bit more... private?
Oh, my. Didn't know you could do that.
What other secrets are you hiding?
Oh, you have no idea.
So after all that, did you acquire the biometric data?
Yes. I collected far more data than I care to mention. You lot bloody owe me for this.
Yes, smashed it. What now?
It seems you'll have to maintain the ruse a bit longer. The upload is still going and I have an incoming connection from the liaison.
Put her on.
Enough crap. Who the hell are you? You working for the Russians? China? Fucking America?
I'm sorry, do I know you? I think you might have the wrong number.
Oh, do shut up.
Upload complete. Malik is on the line. I'm sure he'll be very grateful and polite.
This will have to do. We can meet at Westminster Abbey to discuss the results. And I wanted to say, you performed somewhat better than anticipated.
Was that a thank you?
He's disconnected.
Oh, for God's sake.
I've marked the meeting location on your map. Don't hurry.
Thank you, sweetie.
Good folks willing to take a stand is getting hard to come by. You're gonna fit right...
Yes, I'm so ready to help out the cause.
Amazing.
Fantastic. No more fucking
You've arrived at Westminster Abbey, final resting place of noted cousin fucker King Edward I.
Doesn't sound relevant, Bagley.
It is if you're his cousin. Anyway, have a seat. I'll notify Malik you've arrived.
I have to walk away. I haven't slept in 76 hours. I can't do this.
You're just tired.
No, I'm afraid. I know who runs Zero Day, and I don't think I can beat her.
You don't have to. Give me a name. I'm not asking.
All right. I'm trusting you with this. My analysis indicates that Zero Day is led by the current director of SIRS counter-terrorism, Emma Child. Legend has it she's the reason that Gorbachev survived the coup in '91, but more than that, she's my friend. She mentored me through my first field assignment years ago.
Well, I hope you said your goodbyes.
Wait. There's always a margin of error. If you go after Emma and I'm wrong, you'll have her and Zero Day to contend with. Confirm it's her before you do anything.
We'll be careful.
Be right. Or we'll both be dead.
I hate to agree with a career snoop, but Malik's right. We need to tread carefully here. This is the head of SIRS fucking counter-terrorism we're moving against.
But we're not moving on anyone, right? Not until we have more information. Emma Child is just a lead for now.
Okay, I can live with that. So how do we find her?
Bagley, please filter those SIRS dossiers we stole from Child's direct reports and hack their comms. That should lead us right to her.
Done.
Oh, aren't you clever? But we can't just wait around for them to slip up and blab Emma Child's location. We have to make them slip up and call a meeting with her. So we do something big, something old school DedSec. Really scare the shit out of them.
Emma Child is the head of SIRS counter-terror, which coordinates operations with Albion out of the old MI6 building. So, if we were to break in and leave a message that we know will get back to her...
That's a great plan. Let's do that. Oh no, don't hurt me.
That is the old MI6 building, one of the most prominent intelligence organizations in the world. But now, thanks to SIRS taking over, the dark heart of every secret scheme and bloody coup in the whole of Europe. So, no huge difference, really.
What am I getting myself into?
Bagley, don't scare her. You just have to find the central server room and connect us. We'll do the rest. You've got this.
No, I entirely understand. Yep. Yeah, okay, yeah. All right. Uh-huh. Uh-huh. Yeah. Okay.
Bloody great show the other night.
No, listen.
Oh, God! Energy
Calm down.
just a single person in there.
What was that?
Right. Can you believe that? I see the set of I forgot to ask the band's name.
What was that sound?
Give me a break.
I hear something.
I have the shotgun.
Your trick won't work on me.
Oh, you had enough? Oh, shit, shit!
That's the case file server there. Connect Bagley and we'll take care of it.
Read you loud and clear.
Quick mission update, but you have to promise not to be mad.
Bagley, come on. What is it?
Well, since you did promise, I can't give you the details, but suffice to say there's an absolute piss monsoon of Albion goons heading your way.
Done.
Holy shit. I'm just glad we're on the same side.
Nice. Now get out of there. We'll belt you when we've got something.
Look at that. Your plan worked. There's more buzz coming from Emma Child's organization than a nest of randy wasps.
That was really quick.
Well, I may have sent everyone in Child's inner circle security footage of your little MI6 operation, just to speed things up a bit.
Is that safe for us?
No, not really. But then you're a violent incident. Sergeant who runs around in a colourful mask, punching mercenaries, stealing top-secret intelligence and driving through street cafes. Define safe.
I suppose you're right. So what next?
A small group is meeting with Emma Child in a parking garage. They've switched off the CCTV cameras, but if you connect me to the building's CTOS hub, I can switch them back on, because I'm very clever.
Guess that's where we start, huh?